Well, here we have the 2018 Puma XLE Lite. This is the model 25 RSC. This is a 2018. It weighs 4,900 pounds. Two 30-pound propane tanks. Storage across the front, which I'll show you in a moment. Door into the bedroom. Power awning. Outdoor speakers. And a rear entrance door. Roof ladder, and a barbecue rack sits on the bumper and swings around so that it would be accessible just by the rear corner here. And here we have the storage. It's substantial, nice and wide, and pass-through, so accessible from both sides of the trailer. And there you see the barbecue, which is included, obviously. And so here we are inside, where we can see that we have a dual sink, 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, and storage above the sink. Lots of storage down below. As I swing to the right, we have a dinette that would seat 4 comfortably. There is storage underneath those seats. And up above is additional storage and some cupboard space. The television would mount right here. It's all pre-wired and can be mounted on the wall. And at the rear we have a nice large sofa that jackknifes to make a additional sleeping space, and lots of storage up above the very large, beautiful picture window. Windows on either side of the couch, which would provide cross ventilation. 6.3 cubic foot fridge freezer combination, and then lots of storage here in this area. Here I've opened up the cabinet so you can get an idea of just how much storage space this really represents. It is substantial. Here a very large closet for clothes storage and additional drawers down below. The bathroom provides a foot flush toilet. Vanity, sink, medicine cabinet, and a very large shower with a skylight and a tub. The bedroom has a queen-size bed. Again, closets or storage on either side of the bed, as well as a shelf up above the bed. Outlets on either side of the bed, and of course storage under the bed. The heating is ducted, as is the air conditioning. We invite you to come and visit us and see this in person on our lot in Shelburne or Mono, Ontario. Thanks for watching this video.